Food cart business tips. So if you're looking to start and sustaining a successful food cart business, it actually goes a little bit beyond just serving delicious food. It's about creating a unique experience, operating efficiently, and connecting with your community. So here are 10 food cart business tips that focus on these aspects, designed to help you stand out in the competitive street food scene. If you're brand new to Marketing Food Online, welcome to Marketing Food Online. We are all about food entrepreneurship. You can click that subscribe button and join the over 130,000 subscribers just like yourself who are food entrepreneurs. We've got a lot of great resources here. So let's dive into the 10 specific things. Listen to me all the way to the end, because I've got 3 additional tips. I'm going to give you some additional resources that'll pop up here on the screen that will definitely be a help to you. So let's dive into it. So number 1, you need to embrace technology. Yes, even if you are a street food vendor, embracing technology is a good idea. You want to utilize point of sale systems. Those are POS systems that facilitate mobile payments and keep track of sales and inventory in real time. Now, having a tech-savvy operation can streamline your processes and enhance the customer experience by reducing wait times, which means you sell even more food. And number 2 is focusing on branding. Yes, your food cart's visual identity actually includes its name, its logo, and design should tell a story that resonates with your target audience. Now, a strong brand can make your cart memorable and shareable on social media. That is great word of mouth, because you can increase your audience and customer base absolutely free. Number 3, you want to curate a focused menu. Now, instead of offering a wide variety of options, focus on doing a few dishes exceptionally well. Now, this not only makes it easier to manage your inventory and ingredients, but also creates a signature dish that people will associate with your brand and your food cart, meaning that they would come back again and again. Next up, number 4, adopt a farm-to-table approach. Now, source ingredients from local farmers and producers. Now, this not only supports the local economy, but can also be a unique selling point for customers who are conscious about where their food actually comes from. And if it's local, well, then they're going to know exactly where it is. Number 5, implement seasonal menus. This is really huge, because this can allow you to sell food year-round. You want to kind of adjust your menu to incorporate seasonal ingredients. This keeps your offerings fresh and gives customers a reason to come back to see what's new. Number 6 is go where the customers are. Regularly change your location based on events, the time of day, or even the seasonality to maximize the foot traffic for your food business. Use social media to inform your followers where you'll be at the next day or even the next event. This is great for local communities as well, which actually brings us to number 7. You want to build a community. Yes, your street food cart can do that. You want to engage with your customers on social media and in real life. You want to respond to comments or even ask for feedback, and create a community around that food cart business, because it could potentially grow into even a bigger restaurant or a food truck. Loyal customers can come back as brand ambassadors over and over for your food. Number 8, offer catering services. This is another great stream of revenue. You want to expand your revenue streams by offering catering for private events, offices, or even parties. Now, this can also serve as a marketing tool, because you're introducing your food to potentially new customers who may not have seen you. And number 9, pay attention to the presentation. So the presentation of your food is almost as important as it tastes. Invest in good packaging, quality packaging, and presentation that makes your food not only look appetizing, but it also is functional for eating on the go. Last, but of course never least, number 10, super important today, because a lot of consumers need it. They want focus on sustainability. So implement sustainable practices in your operations, such as using compostable utensils, napkins, recycling, and minimizing food waste. Communicate these efforts to your customers, as many people actually prefer to support environmentally responsible businesses. Now, these tips are not just about running a food cart. They're about creating an experience for that customer who wants to return and to share with others. With dedication and creativity and focus on quality of your food and your service, your food cart can become a beloved fixture in your local food scene. Now, remember those 3 additional videos? Check out these videos here for more resources and points, tips. And if you like our content, do give us a big thumbs up. We appreciate it. And share it with anybody who could potentially use it. We're all about helping food entrepreneurs make money and growing their business. I'll see you on our next video.